The U drop-in in Shamrock, Texas, still retains some of the simple life. So it was destined that America would choose a simple 2-lane roadway to forever symbolize the main street that had always connected us. The youth of the 1950s were ready for a purely American sports car. The Corvette raced into the American imagination, and Route 66 took it there. Billed as a thin stretch of road through a painted desert landscape, Route 66 connected Chicago to Los Angeles. Today, it's still the only place for a true Corvette lover to go. Since it rolled out in 1953, the Corvette has been a real vision, and the 1956 Corvette is no exception. 3 years after its inception, Corvette received its first major body styling change. Since its initial introduction in limited volume, the Corvette commanded the attention of sports car experts and enthusiasts everywhere. The design of the 1956 Corvette incorporated new ideas that were evaluated. A wider rear window and new design side windows increased visibility. New features included roll-up windows with a power assist option. The side cove was new and could be painted in 6 different color options. For the first time, Corvette had external door handles and exposed headlights with chrome surrounds. Earlier Corvette models had fixed passenger seats, but this Corvette introduced seats that could move fore and aft. In another groundbreaking feature, the 56 Corvette offered a power-operated top which folded out of sight behind the seats. To maintain its sporty look, Chevrolet made the Corvette even more adventurous-looking with graceful new fender lines, new side panel and hood treatment, and simulated knockoff-type wheel covers. Chevrolet built a total of 3,467 Corvettes in 1956, all of them being convertibles. With its timeless design and capable maneuverability, it's easy to see why this iteration has become a classic. The Corvette has been and continues to be the most unique driving machine ever made. Thanks for taking a trip with us down the Mother Road. We'll see you Thursday for our next restoration segment here on Double Clutch.